Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will tell you how to create invoices on eBay. So to do that we will need to use our browsing system, so open your browser and search for eBay Seller Hub and open the official website of eBay. So here you see several sections, so overview, orders, listings and more, and we need orders section and enter awaiting payment. So this is the section where you have orders that if the buyer hasn't paid for them yet. So here tap the item and then scroll down and click the button Send Invoice, and on the next page check the item price, shipping cost, and you can even write message to buyer. So this is a little note, and then hit the Send Invoice button. It is usually a blue button at the bottom of your screen, and the buyer will receive a notification, and the buyer can complete payment directly from the invoice. And now you wait for response, and then you can proceed to ship the item. So that's basically how you can create invoices on eBay. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.